Welcome to another video, and this time we're going to be talking about PowerBins in DaVinci Resolve. Now, you may be aware of the actual concept of a bin in DaVinci Resolve, which allows you to organize your footage. So for example, we have this a series of bins up here. So we're organizing, for example, shots of streets in the town, and then we have views and gate entrance, etc. You also have the ability to have some smart bins, which is an ability to add some sort of dynamic bins on filtering by certain properties. In this video, I want to talk to you specifically about PowerBins. And in order to see these guys, you need to switch on that ability, which you're going to get if you go to where we have the three dots up here. Click on that. And there's an option saying show PowerBins. Click on that and they're going to appear on the left hand side down here. Now, what exactly is a PowerBin? Well, a PowerBin allows you to share your footage or your clips across multiple projects. Now, think for a moment when you might want to use this. Well, if you have, say, for example, you're doing some branding or you want to make a consistent look and feel on your footage, or maybe, for example, you want to share some music, then this is a perfect example of having a power bin. So here we have a normal bin full of various audio clips, and I like to often use the same music or the same sort of audio file in the various projects. So this is a perfect example of a power bin, and we can also create these as a subfolder or sub bins by right clicking on where it has master, and then we're going to do a new bin, and I'm going to call this, for example, shared music maybe. And now I've got my shared music folder on my bin, I can go to my normal music folder in my project. I can multiple select, for example, and drag these clips and drop them into my shared powered bin. And I can also do the same thing for other things. For example, maybe I've got like adjustment clips for doing like animated titles, or perhaps you've got some image files, maybe like a logo or company logo or something like that. You can create power bins for that. So and then when you go to your normal properties and go to another project, those clips are then going to appear. If I can now create a new project, just do this. Let's just dump it in here for now. Notice now it's a brand new project. I've got my shared power bin available with my audio clips. So PowerBins are a very handy way of being able to quickly share material between your projects in DaVinci Resolve. I find it certainly useful, and I expect now you know about it, you're also going to find it useful. So take care guys, and I shall see you soon on another tips and tricks video about DaVinci Resolve.